What y'all treeing over here?
Oh, door cable broke. Trying to get this out of here. Get your clip on it too. That's what it looks like on that four corner.
So getting one on the back door is kind of a pain, huh?
Oh yeah, it's done.
Is this the engine you put into that?
Yep, yeah, that's all it came out of it.
So what was wrong with it?
Just silver A, rod, broke and got under the wall.
So it was internal, there wasn't no hole? There wasn't no hole in it, it was just internal?
Right, yeah, I didn't actually break the block or anything, just broke that rod and switched it into the wall.
So did you pull the pan off to see it, or?
Yeah. Yeah, it was a aftermarket warranty, the red full pan.
So the new one came with the valve covers and all that, and injectors, or you had to put injectors?
No, we had to put injectors, turbo, EGR cooler. Other than that, it's pretty well.
Pretty much came just like this, except you just have to swap that stuff over. And get a new fuel pump and everything with the new one?
Do what?
New fuel pump and everything with the new one? Is that a pretty common failure? Is the
Yeah, 6.4s, they're pretty known for the slower velocity.
about how many miles they getting at them before that happens?
Oh, I'm seeing it's really pretty low. Pretty much anything over 100,000 seems like start having lower end problems with them.
What's the warranty on those 6.4s?
I'm pretty sure they were 5-year 100,000 powertrain.
So they didn't go the 150 on them. It was just. Do they still have the 150 on 6.7s? Or?
No, they're 5-year 100,000.
So being that was out of warranty, what did that repair end up running, customer?
Well, like I said, he had an aftermarket warranty. I think he ended up having to pay like a little over $2,000. But I think the total job, it seemed like it was around $16,000 or so.
$16,000 what the customer paid. How much did you spend on tools that you had to have to do that job?
A few thousand. They're not cheap.
Yeah. I did an estimate.
Although it seems like you never quit buying tools. Just
Yeah.
constantly going, you never have all of them.
The first thing you had to have was an IDS, which is, now we can call them VCMM, have all that stuff. That's a $6,000 hickey right there.
Right.
And your DVOM's probably about $500.
Yeah, of course I've got a Snap-on and it seemed like it ran around 700, 800, something like that.
Yeah. Just a socket's $100 anymore, right?
Oh, for a set of them off the tool truck, they're anywhere from 250 to 300 per set. And typically that's a 8mm, 19mm.
So if you got every wrench and every tool, you probably had $15,000 worth of tools out working on that $16,000 repair.
If I added everything up I've probably got over 30,000 in tools, 35, something like that.
How long you been doing this, Colton?
Since 08, so about 14 years now.
Did you go to Asset too?
No, I actually went to Wildtech.
Wildtech, okay. So I've heard that's a good school.
Yeah, it was. I really enjoyed it. It was fun. It was pretty far away, so didn't really get to see the family much, but it's fun. Yeah, I liked it.
Yeah.
Laramie.
So is this the first dealership you worked at, or?
Yeah, I graduated Wildtech in 08. Started here. I graduated in March of 08. Started here in April, and pretty much been doing it ever since. I quit for a year and a half and went to West Texas to oil fields, but other than that, it's where I've been.
So what do you like about the place? What's the best thing?
Oh, everything. I mean, it's a good place to work. Everybody's friendly. Everybody gets along. Most of the time, customers are pretty understanding. Usually, you get pretty good customers. Every once in a while, you get somebody that
there's only 4 or 5 mean people in the world. I've met 3 of them already, so there's got to be one of them over here that I ain't met. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So what about Tahlequah area? You're from this area?
Yep, born and raised. I lived in Keys my whole life. Went to Keys, graduated there. As soon as I graduated there, went to Wildtech. So, yeah.
What's the best thing about Tahlequah area?
Oh, just the whole area. You got the lake, you got the river. It's a fairly small town still, so everybody knows everybody. You get along with most everybody. So
yeah.
Just the community, I guess.
And
my family, they've lived here forever. My grandpa, he was a sheriff back in the 70s, so my family's lived here forever. most people I know have lived here forever, so everybody knows everybody and everybody gets along pretty good.
That's good. You get to work on a lot of your friends and relatives' vehicles.
Yeah.
Is that the ones that give you the hard time, is your relatives?
Yeah. Oh, they're not too bad.
They're just mad because you ate the last piece of chicken at the cookout last weekend.
Yeah.
That's what that's wrong with.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, well, I appreciate it. I'll get out of y'all's hair.
All right.
Thanks for letting me pick your brain a little bit.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you for watching, and remember, if you or someone you know would like more information about employment at an Oklahoma Ford dealer, please contact me at 918-928-7433 or email me at fordokptc@gmail.com. For other videos like this, check out our YouTube channel, Oklahoma Ford Dealers Technician Connection. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you. Have a great day.